Why T-Mobile Wi-Fi calling keeps dropping calls usually comes down to one thing. Wi-Fi calling is extremely sensitive to network stability, even when your internet looks fine on surface. Wi-Fi calling relies on a steady, low latency connection. So even if your Wi-Fi speed test shows strong numbers, short interruptions like signal fluctuations, uh, router congestion, or packet loss can still cause calls to drop unexpectedly. The most common issue is router overload. If too many devices are connected at the same time, streaming, gaming, downloading updates, your phone may not get consistent priority bandwidth and the call can disconnect without warning. Another factor is weak or unstable Wi-Fi signal inside your home. Walls, distance from the router, or interference from other electronics can reduce signal quality in certain rooms, which is often where dropped calls suddenly start happening. Sometimes the phone itself contributes to the problem. If Wi-Fi calling settings are not properly enabled, or if the device is switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data too aggressively, the call can drop during that handoff. This is especially noticeable when moving around while on a call. Router setting can also play a role. Older routers or outdated firmware may not handle voice traffic efficiently. In some cases, quality of service settings are either missing or not optimized, which means voice packets do not get priority over the internet activity. Network glitches on T-Mobile side can also temporarily affect Wi-Fi calling stability, while less common a server-side routing issue can lead to brief disruptions even when your home internet is working normally. A simple fix that often helps is restarting both your phone and your Wi-Fi router. Uh, this refreshes network connection and clears temporary routing errors that may be. If the issue continues, moving closer to the router or switching to a less crowded Wi-Fi channel can improve consistency and some cases. Switching between Wi-Fi calling and regular cellular callings manually help identify whether the issue is truly Wi-Fi related or network related. At the end of the day, Wi-Fi calling works best on a stable, low interference connection. So small improvements in your home network setup can make a big difference in call reliability. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.